Hey guys, welcome back to my very last cleaning video. And if you followed me because of these cleaning videos, I do apologize, but we are going in a different direction with my channel. I will still be doing cleaning within some of my vlogs, but they are not going to be designated the way they have been. They're going to be more like a end of the week reset kind of deal, where I'm resetting my entire house and getting things back to the way they were. So in this video, I am just cleaning up the upstairs of my home. I'm working on my youngest son's youngest son's room. As you can tell, he had a bunch of toys underneath of his bed that I was like, you know what, I can't take it anymore. It's driving me insane. So I ran under there and I got every single one of them out. After we get all of these toys done, it's time for me to wipe every single thing down. As you can tell, this is actually before his birthday because the TV box is not there. I did a lot of pre-recording back over this in the summer, and this is one of the videos that I had. I did want to make sure that I got all the videos out that I've already completed, because that will help me put myself ahead when it comes to the full transition. So if you are coming here for cleaning, I am doing a full transition from a cleaning / Twitch tips / vlog, and I'm combining it all into a vlog style type of thing where I'm still cleaning, I'm still giving Twitch tips, but I'm also showing more of the raw behind the scenes of a Twitch streamer and content creator, where I show you the highs and the lows of everything. My last video, I showed you how in October all I brought in was approximately $3.81 per hour for 60 hours, and it came out to a total of $230. And then it just so happens that night I ended up doing a really nice night on my stream. Those do not happen very often, and the odds of them happening another time within a couple of months is very rare. So those don't happen very often for me, but if you enjoy that video, that's kind of the direction that I will be going with a lot of my videos, and I would really appreciate it if y'all can follow along. If it's not your thing, I completely understand, and I do respect it 100%. So here I'm just kind of switching out the clothes and getting everything going. And here we are over in my oldest son's room, and I have to make his bed because the kid will never make his bed. So getting it all straightened up for him and making sure that everything is wiped down and decluttered. After I get everything dusted, of course I come in here and vacuum. I don't know what it is about this kid, but he literally always has so much lint and junk on this floor. It literally accumulates within a week, and he refuses to use the vacuum cleaner, and it's ridiculous. It doesn't help that both the cats like to hang out in his room, and I think they like hanging out in his room because it is the darkest room of my house. But if that's the case, he needs to learn to clean up after them, which is perfectly fine. And I'm at the point where I'm about to get myself a stop on cleaning the boys' bathroom, because they don't clean up after themselves, and it's completely filthy, and I don't even use this bathroom, and it's not fair to mama. So here I am just cleaning up their toilet, which, by the way, a teenager boy's toilet is absolutely disgusting. Like, I've heard horror stories. I never knew how bad it was until now. Like, as you can see, like, there's cat food on the floor. The toilet roll is completely empty. Like, we have like 5 bags of toilet paper. Get one, kids. Jeez. But here I am just wiping down my mirror and making sure that the countertop is also wiped down very nicely. And like, oh my god, these kids, guys. I don't know if anybody else out there has issues with their kids just never cleaning up after themselves, especially in like communal areas, like a bathroom. But these boys, they don't care. They just don't care. And I did clean up the toothpaste that's right there on the floor, but I just did not record that moment. And here I am cleaning up my own bathroom. Liam is being my little shadow. Drove me insane. I ended up kicking him out of the bathroom because I could not take it any longer. He was just up underneath of me. I was bumping into him and he was touching all of my bottles, all of my stuff, and I just had enough of it. So this vent up here, y'all probably cannot tell, but it is like covered in dust. And I keep telling my husband, I was like, I need to get this vacuumed, but I'm like really, really short and I didn't want to break my toilet by standing on top of it. After being here for almost a year, I got tired of looking at it, so I finally just did it. We still got to pull it down and like clean out the actual vent of it, but I feel a little bit better knowing that all the dust is off of it, because I do know it's a fire hazard and my husband loves to leave this daggone thing on. It drives me insane. But here I am just cleaning up our sink. We do have to replace this this faucet. It's leaking really bad and I'm not sure why, but it's leaking out the back part. So we have this towel that lays along the back of it and hopes to catch any bit of water that's sitting there so that it's not just sitting on the countertop. It's just kind of absorbing it, and we do change it out. Here I am just sweeping up all of the dirt, cleaning out the trash and sweeping up behind the trash can because ain't nobody got time to make it into the trash can apparently. Oh, I wish that doing my laundry was just a snap of a finger. But it's not. So of course I had to sit there and fold up all that laundry, and here I am just dusting afterwards. I was not going to put y'all through watching me fold up everything, but I did want to make sure that I got it all done so y'all can see it is completely done and looking much better. Here I am just wiping off my nightstand and wiping off everything that goes back onto my nightstand because I am very OCD, and if something is clean, it has to be clean to be put back on there. I don't know why I'm like that, but that's just how I am. And it's funny because this dresser does not look bad until I move this TV backwards, and then you see just how dusty it is. Yeah, I'm so over the dust in this house, and this is after a week of it. It accumulates because of what my husband uses in the bathroom and then walks outside. So yeah, we got this little powder stuff all over the place and drives me insane. And I was like, yeah, I've got to wipe everything off of his nightstand because it is so bad over here. And then it's time, as always, to vacuum up. Guys, if y'all made it this far in a video, I really do appreciate it. If this is something that you would like to see, I'm sorry, it's not going to be in all my videos, but it is going to be in some of my videos. I appreciate y'all following me in this journey, and if you joined me just because I did these cleaning videos, I'm sorry, but I do appreciate y'all sticking around and hanging out, and I hope you follow me in this next journey. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.